every day.
We have major developments on a number of stories.
A fresh batch of the biggest news stories of the day. This is a story we've been covering all week. It takes just 5 minutes.
Appointment, and also you're right there. It's health coverage that includes dental.
Vanilla, though. Can't be vanilla. I don't allow vanilla.
No, vanilla.
How did that? Well, I was in my boxers and no shoes on. Obviously, I just got out of bed, and I chased him, and obviously I'm not exactly a...
Svelte?
Yeah, I'm not exactly a bolt of lightning.
Yeah.
Usain Bolt. Yeah. And,
In football, they go big first stops, quick first stop.
I was quick, but I tried to grab him going upstairs, and he got up.
Dramatically and slowly I turned.
So I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Are we supposed to assume from that last promo that the
appetizer you need any...
There's a WRVA local 50 kilowatt Class A station. Very, very strong.
Let Wendy take some of the cooking responsibility off of your hands. 804-798 each. You can call her right now. 800-LifeLock. Go to the web, lifelock.com. She is standing by. Code Hannity. That's 1-800-GIVING FOOD. On Hannity. If you've tried
texting while driving is a serious problem. You drive, you text.
First year on...
By the realization that the eternal God is available.
Este libro es bastante fuerte, deberíamos de aprender mucho de lo que es la palabra de Dios. Esta estructura está hecha con el corazón quebrantado de Jeremías.
WFED. It's kind of weird.
Something for Sunday.
And also, this under looks pretty good. How about this? Anything with a 4 in front of it, I feel like I like the under in this game.
Detroit 13-10 Cleveland.
Is that absolutely...
How we shoot the basketball already. It's like...
The ministry. To listen to today's message or for more...
Studio in the heart of the Hawkeye Nation, this is the mighty 1630 KCJJ Iowa City. Now, Iowa City's news first.
I'm Tommy Lang with KCJJ News. Iowa's unemployment rate dropped slightly in October to
at Minnesota.
Try to make
has one, and he was talking how he loves it, and I don't even know what the
installation on all of their systems for my listeners. Check out their website.
All those the little thimble things look like.
Happy Hornet. The Flint Institute of Arts, our Inner Circle sponsor for the hour. Magnificent art museum right here in our own backyard, less than an hour away from Metro Detroit, completely touchless and safe environment.
Within the first 3 to 5 days, you take the pills twice a day.
Bookings go out of style.
Portugal, get in contact with Philip Patrick or get all the brochures and start.
The offense is
Vers le siège de la compagnie au Gaslink et ont occupé le hall d'entrée pendant plus d'1 heure. Le but, demander le départ des employés travaillant à construire le gazoduc, comme l'explique la manifestante Madeleine Lavelle.
On a donné un trespass notice, un avis de il faut
Them and can miss the fever that might mean COVID. Learn more at extragen.com.
whenever we want.
Tomorrow, and then also, let me give you guys this one. On HBO Max.
Keys, but at the White House, that was not the case.